Hi, today I want to talk to you about how to have less pain. And what better way to learn how to do this than from man's best friend, the dog. What do dogs do every time they get up? Almost without exception. They're laying on the couch, they're laying on the floor, and sometimes they're laying on your bed. When they get up, before they bolt to the door or go and bark at someone, they like to stretch. Why is that? Intuitively, they know that it's going to help their bodies in some way. It also feels good, but they're less apt to have an injury. It's amazing how they have that intuition. So think about, even yoga names one of its most cherished moves, downward dog, after man's best friend, because they have learned how to stretch and how to prevent injury. What a cute image of doing this, and I'm not saying you have to go downstairs and stretch for hours a day, and even if your dog joins in with you, it's a lot of fun, but that's another video for something to watch in the future. However, today I want to talk about two simple stretches that you can do anytime you get out of a chair to help reduce pain and risk of injury. This is exactly what people like to do when they hurt. They often arch their back like that, but if you get out of a chair, there's certain muscles in your hip flexors and in your abdomen that get tight. So if you were to get up for about 5 to 10 seconds when you first get out of a chair, just stretch those things out and then walk and do whatever you're going to do, it will have phenomenal improvements in the abdomen, the back, the hip flexors, and many other muscles, and definitely help to reduce risk of pain or injury. Another one which is great is a simple one where you basically put your arms behind your back like this, clasp your hands, and draw your shoulders back. And if you do that, it's going to stretch the muscles in your chest. This is helpful because when people sit, they tend to slouch. These muscles get tight, and if that happens, it puts a lot of tension in your upper back, and also eventually into your low back and even into the neck, causing headaches. So by doing these two simple stretches together, it might take you 10, 15 seconds when you get up out of a chair to do this, but if you can get in the habit of doing it, it will have phenomenal short and long-term improvements and can make your life a lot easier. So again, here's a beautiful example of stretching. It doesn't have to be military like this, but look at what man's best friend tries to do to try to stay healthy and flexible. They stretch. And I want to end this video with our friend here. Hey, Roxy, come here, girl. Come on up. Say goodbye. All right, tune in next time for tomorrow's video. We'll see what we're going to talk about, but thanks for joining us today for 2 Minutes to Better Health. We'll talk soon.